Alright, this is part one of an inspection I'm doing for a customer of mine in Plainfield, Connecticut. This is curtain drains for their home. I'm in the pipe 12 feet 7 inches, and this is the farthest that I can get in with my camera, because what appears to be a tree root breaking through at the bottom of the pipe is just catching my camera, so it will not let me push past. But I got well past that with my jet hose. As you can see, it just does not want to push past that thing sticking up in the pipe. So this is perforated plastic pipe. Was 100% stopped up before I got here, not draining. Now it is draining. Took a lot of work to get it to drain. It's a lot of silt coming through into the pipes. But in this particular pipe, you got one really thick tree root right here. We're not in there that far. We're in about 211. Then you got a piece of steel rebar broken through the pipe. That's where a lot of the silt's coming through over here, I'm going to guess. You know, obviously it's not normal for a piece of steel rebar to be broken through a pipe. Alright, this is part two of my camera inspection for my customers in Plainfield, Connecticut. I am in the other half of their curtain drain. I only made it out 22 feet on this one. I'm hitting a rough spot in the pipe, but these pipes are pretty rough. There's a lot of silt, wood chips, roots, that kind of stuff in these pipes. But I made it out with the jet hose 100 feet, and it's draining like $1 million bucks. So I'm going to start pulling it back from here. Standing water here for curtain drains. It's pretty normal. They aren't always pitched as well as like a sewer pipe would be. As long as the water flows, it's the most important thing. Now that little bit of silt you see right before the entrance to the pipe, that's because if I backed my jetter up that close to the entrance, I would be flooding the customer's basement out. So it's better there's a little bit of silt at the entrance than a flooded basement.